Hi everyone. Okay, here's an example of Etsy fixing a glitch, and Etsy sellers got away with not paying renewal listing fees for quite some time. This has been going on for a couple of years as far as I can remember. Not to everyone, but for some sellers, when your listing came up for renewal because it hadn't sold in 4 months, it just never left. So it was still sitting in your shop. People could still buy it, even though technically it had expired. And this is Mary's account, and she's known that this has been going on because we've been talking about this for years. People have posted about it in the Etsy forums. They are aware that it's going on, but now I guess they're doing something about it. So basically, what's going to happen is that all of these listings, however many it was, they're telling you in this email how many you had that were affected by this, that these are all going to be manually expired. Okay, Etsy is going to manually expire all of these listings in your shop on April 1st. Etsy is not ripping you off. They're not coming back to get that listing fee, okay? Because you guys got away with having free listings, which is okay, but they were never charged. If you were never charged the 20-cent renewal fee, it says you won't be charged. Okay, it's under this purple mark. It says you won't be charged for these listings. So they're not going to come back and take money out of your account for all those back fees that you have not paid. They're just going to correct the thing and go ahead, and then things will normally renew after 4 months. And basically it says if you'd like to keep these listings active past April 1st, consider turning on auto renew for all your listings at once. They just want us to do auto renew because that is better for them. But if you don't want to do this, just go in and turn on manual renew for the listings that they expired because you've been getting free listing fees. Okay, so Etsy is not clawing back the amount that you should have been paying that you didn't. It says it right in this section right here, and it's going to go forward normally. So you're going to have a whole bunch of things to renew all at once. And yes, you're going to have to pay the 20-cent listing fee, but you weren't paying for that before. If you're affected by this, then you got free listing fees. So you're still going to come out ahead as far as the fees go. That's all. Leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.